guys, welcome to the first episode of Wise Weekends. It's a thing I started on Instagram where I answer some of your questions about life, about relationships, about anything under the sun. But some of you give me really dumb questions and then I give you dumb answers. On this first episode, I will try to fix a cupboard. It's called tristle. So I try to fix it. Okay, let's see how long I can fix this cupboard while I answer some of your questions. First question, which of Xiaoming's cats will you throw downstairs? First of all, you're an idiot for asking these kind of questions. But I will never ever do that. Okay, let's try to fix this. Oh my god, I'm so confused. Number one is... okay. Do I have a screwdriver? I have a lot of homework to do and I need to go back to school next week because of PSLE. Where's the question? Oh my god, I hope I can finish this in 30 minutes. Okay, so next question. I already run out of ways to say stay safe and take care. Got tips on other ways of saying it? Okay, so there's no other way to say stay safe and take care other than donating or just be there for people who need it more. Especially during this period of time, it's not just the test of our health, it's also the test of our mental strength. Okay, next. Why is the sky blue? Sorry, what's the question again? Oh my god, which one is which? Both are the same. Okay, next question. Have you ever thought of having a career in music? Yes, actually. But when I was younger, I didn't know it was an option. Because I don't know, I just didn't know. Like, I knew NAFA existed, but I didn't know that it was an option even. But I'm really happy where I am today. Let me fix another one of this and then I answer one of your dumb or interesting questions. A lot of people are saying that Ikea, however you spell it. A lot of people are saying that it's not durable I don't know what. But I think it's because you don't fix it properly. Also, the reason why I got this bedside table is because I moved like a year ago, but I don't have a bedside table, so my phone was always on the floor. Okay, step number 3. Oh my god, I'm only step number 3. I don't have a hammer, so I'm using this. Next question. Is there a new skill you have yet to achieve or something you still always wanted to do? Okay, so my dream is to somehow sing in a musical lah. But like, I wish I went to like some theatre company or like theatre school, but I didn't, you see. Now I'm 32. Oh! Sorry, wrong number. It's 25. Now I'm 25 years old and I think it's too late already lah. I mean, like, I sing in Sing Man's chorus, but that's just about it. I sing bass and it's usually like dum 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 dum. That's about it. So if you want to train me to sing in a musical, or if you're producing a musical, just let me know. I wish I had a hammer, oh my god. Now what? How did you join SGAG? Okay, so I was acting in a show called Average Guys. You can still find it on Facebook if you're on Facebook. So it's Average Guys SG. It's about production house where they make videos. I was acting as an editor. So the editor is this cold shoulder guy. And I didn't need to do a lot of acting because I just needed to show my resting bitch face. And that was probably first professional acting gig. So I thought, it's just for fun lah, just try lah, right? When it launched, we didn't know that it's gonna be the talk of the town. It wasn't really massive, but it was a fresh concept, right? Although it's not really fresh because apparently it's a spoof of The Office from UK and US. We started from UK, I don't know, everyone's been telling me, but I just want to say I haven't watched the show yet. So when someone tells me that, hey, you're the average guys, feel like the office. Yeah, I'm like, whose office? Step number 5. Push. Also, next question. How do you start getting interested in making videos? Oh my god, actually I never did. Okay, so I was acting in Average Guys, fast forward. After that, I received a few calls. One from MediaCorp, one from... Actually, I don't even know whether I should say all the names. One from... Then SGAG call. I followed them since 2012. And then I submitted some memes. And it got through. Too late for second guessing. I haven't finished my story, oh my god. So I joined SGAG. I didn't join SGAG. SGAG called me. No, actually Xiaoming called me. And he was like, hey, let's have some coffee together. Just kidding. And I was like, okay, I love coffee. So I just went. And then Shah was screaming. And then I was screaming because I love Shah. Shah was probably one of the reasons why I joined SGAG, because I was like, at least Malay girl funny. And then Xiaoming asked me, you want water? Then I said, yeah, I can help myself lah. And then he walked me to the pantry. And then he made me warm water. And asked me if the temperature was okay. Then what happened to the coffee? But I joined them in August 2018. This is step number what? 7. How many more steps? Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god, it's been half an hour. Next question. Have you ever thought of being a gamer professionally? I'm not a gaming type of person. Even in my phone, if you find a gaming app in my phone, it'll be a miracle. Too late for... How many more questions are? Too late for... Oh my god, stop singing the song. How will I know which screw is what screw? You give me the number of the screws. I don't know. 100356365. So, what do I do with the number? Too late for... later you screw, I cannot unscrew. Just like my wife. I'm not married, by the way. I will try to sing another song. That wasn't supposed to happen. Have you ever felt like joining a music talent show like Asia's Got Talent? No, I don't think I'm that talented. I just enjoy singing, but I don't think I have a talent for singing. Ow! I have a question. Will you rather buy a cupboard to fix and save money? Or would you rather just get it delivered to you fixed? Okay, don't panic. Oh my god, what should I do in the next episode while answering your questions? Let it go. Turn away and slam the door.
1 hour later.
Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god, come on. I cannot do this for more than 1 hour 30 minutes. Yes, no it. She's just standing at the door. I'm not too sure what she wants. How long has it been? Oh my god. I can do this. So that's the end of Wise Weekends episode 1, and I managed to fix a cupboard in about 1 hour. Oh my god, I hope I can finish this in 30 minutes. Sometimes I overestimated myself. Shh. I didn't ask for your opinion. And yeah, that's how long you can fix an Ikea side table. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do on episode 2. So comment, like, share this video. I know I only have 6 followers.